This is Ethan Hoffman with eXp Realty. Today I'm in Babcock Ranch to tour a new community called The Sanctuary, built by William Ryan Homes. Today I'm going to do a tour of the Sandhill model. It starts in the low 500s, it's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and it's 2394 square feet. Please call me at 931-436-5507 to do a tour of this beautiful model and of the city of Babcock Ranch. Please like and subscribe. Be sure to check out my Facebook group called Inside Babcock Ranch, where I post tours of the model homes, builder incentives, and resale homes, and other information about the community. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment, and subscribe.